The installation of a Generac automatic standby generator maintains security and comfort for home and family in the event of a power outage. An automatic standby generator system monitors incoming voltage from the utility line. When the utility power is interrupted, the generator detects the problem and goes to work. The automatic transfer switch safely disconnects the utility line and simultaneously connects a new power line from the generator. Power is restored within seconds. When the utility power is restored, the generator returns to standby mode. You can rest easy knowing your Generac generator will be there when you need it.